Amigos y amigas, welcome back to my caliente kitchen. Here we have quinoa and ají amarillo. Well, today we're making a Chile Relleno Casserole with a Peruvian twist. It's my way in celebrating National Hispanic and Latino Heritage Month by uniting two delicious cuisines, Mexican and Peruvian. Amazing flavors. Peruvian cuisine is a fusion of different cultures, and today I am combining Mexican chile relleno with Peruvian ají amarillo and quinoa. So I have partnered with National Dairy Council to share with you this amazing, delicious casserole with a Peruvian twist. Now this casserole is nutritious, vibrant, and full of flavors. Now let's get cooking. First, we're going to roast our peppers. I am using ají amarillo for the authentic Peruvian kick. But if you cannot find ají amarillo, please use poblano peppers. Just roast them until the skin is charred. Then let them steam and peel off the skin. By the way, I use my air fryer to roast the ají amarillo. Next, we'll prepare the filling. Into my skillet goes. We sauté chopped red onions, garlic. Then add the lean ground beef, quinoa, cumin, olives, cilantro, parsley, and the secret of this recipe's unique flavor is the ají amarillo, either whole and paste. It has a mild heat and a touch of a Peruvian flair. And now one of my favorite parts, adding dairy. Queso fresco is a high-quality protein cheese that becomes soft and creamy when it's cooked and is perfect addition to this dish. We are also using 2% milk, cottage cheese, and Greek yogurt. These are traditional and creamy foods that deliver essential nutrients. Remember, cow's milk has 13 essential nutrients, and I like to use lactose-free cow's milk since I am lactose intolerant. Now, time to assemble. Lay the roasted peppers flat. Then evenly spread the beef and quinoa filling. Top it off with a custard made of eggs, milk, cottage cheese, and Greek yogurt. This is where the magic happens. Cover with foil and bake for 30 minutes. Then uncover and bake for another 15 to get the golden finish. Look at that, our Chile Relleno Casserole with a Peruvian twist is ready. The smoky roasted peppers, the creamy custard, and the Peruvian ají amarillo all come together beautifully. And now, my friends, the best part, the taste. Wow, perfecto. This was a Mexican and Peruvian explosion in my mouth. Delicious. This recipe definitely is perfect to celebrate our National Hispanic and Latino Heritage Month. And beyond that too, this recipe you can eat any time of the year. Your family is going to simply love it. To get this amazing recipe, visit my blog, Villacorta.com. And to learn more about dairy, visit usdairy.com. It is extremely important for my channel to survive if you can please comment, like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss my next nutrition or healthy recipes. Again, thank you for watching. Stay healthy and remember, stop dieting, start living.